Hello and welcome to this episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. Today we will show you some Excel tips and shortcuts which will make your life easier. Let's dive in.
Let's understand the navigation shortcuts. With Ctrl and the arrow keys, you can effortlessly navigate through your data. Use this shortcut to swiftly move to the end of a row or column. For example, easily navigate to the last cell in a row with a simple keystroke. With Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste, you can seamlessly duplicate and move data within your workbook. Effortlessly transfer data between cells or duplicate information with just a few keystrokes. For example, quickly duplicate cells by copying and pasting content, saving you time and effort in your Excel tasks. And Ctrl+X allows you to cut data from a cell. It not only copies value to the clipboard, it also removes the value from its existing location. By pressing Alt and equals on your keyboard, you can perform quick calculations on row or columns of data. This shortcut automatically adds up the values in the selected column, saving you time and effort. No need for manual entry or formula writing. Let Excel do the math for you with just a simple keystroke. By pressing Ctrl and the semicolon key, you can instantly insert the current date into cells. This shortcut offers convenience by saving you time from manual date entry. Useful for tracking data entries or timestamps, this shortcut streamlines your Excel workflow. With Ctrl+E, you can unleash the power of Flash Fill to automate data formatting and extraction. This functionality predicts patterns in your data and fills in the remaining information accordingly. For example, effortlessly split text strings into separate columns with ease, saving time and effort in data manipulation tasks. The macros function in Microsoft Excel, found within the View tab, is a powerful tool for automating repetitive tasks. With macros, you can record and replay sequences of actions, saving time and reducing errors. This feature allows you to automate tasks like formatting, report generation, and complex calculations, boosting productivity. By embracing macros, you can streamline your workflow and achieve greater efficiency in your spreadsheet work.
Now, let's learn about some of the shortcuts that you can use in Excel to make your life easier while working with this tool. You can use Ctrl plus arrow buttons to jump across the data and the entire sheet. And as usual, you know that you can copy and paste data using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. You learned that to add values of a column, you can use the AutoSum function. Do you know that you can also use Alt plus the equal symbol on your keyboard to get the total value? Additionally, you can use Ctrl plus semicolon as a shortcut to insert the date in any cell.
If you want to acquire essential Excel skills, improve daily tasks with classic functionalities, and learn techniques using Copilot, you can check out this course, Microsoft Excel Essentials with Copilot for Beginner. It covers everything from basics to advanced in just 3 hours. I have put the discounted course link in the description below. Make sure to check it out.